Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well.
Goodies, but look at you, sweeter than a Jolly Rancher, got me singing ooh. So many flavors like a Starburst, get you some candy coated lip.
Oh my god, you guys, we've got so many more Glam Fam family members and I'm so happy that you decided to click that subscribe button. It means the absolute world to me. And oh my god, did I not think that my Temu video would blow up? I think I've got like 10k views on there. Oh my god guys, like what? Basically, I've already done my brows, as you can probably tell. We are going to be testing everything makeup related that I picked up from Temu. So this bag I also picked up from Temu. Everything that I bought down below for you guys to check out if you want to, including my most favourite cup in the world. I love this cup. My sister tried it out the other day. She loves it. It keeps your drinks so cold for up to 8 hours, guys. I'm wearing the Temu necklace that I got, some Temu earrings. I've literally just put my hair up. This also got off Temu. Oh my god, is it like 1 billion degrees in the UK or what right now? I'm literally melting my bazookas off. Without further ado, grab yourself a nice cold beverage and let's just jump in. I am wearing the dress from Primark. If you haven't seen that haul, then I will link that down below as well. So I'm just going to put this hair wrap in my hair. I didn't get this from Temu either. This one my mother-in-law made me. Now how cute is that? And I'm gonna bring you guys in because we need to get up close and personal if we're doing the eyes.
So come on, don't be shy.
So we're really up close and personal now. So I picked up this little lips mirror. She's cute and I can do my eye makeup while you guys can see what I'm doing as well. So let's jump in to the Coco Urban palettes, and this does not have any shade names. I do apologize if you can hear the next door neighbor's dog. So I think the first shade we're going to go into is like this little tan shade. This lilac is shouting out my name. We're not off to a good start. Okay, we're gonna give that a miss. Maybe pop into the little bit, it's the same kind of lavender colour, but it's a little bit darker. Yeah, you can see that loads more now. I hope this doesn't stain my eyes because I'm at work tomorrow. Darker purpley blue. I'm having to quite dig into these. Now, do I want to use that purple? Oh my god, yeah, we are going full lavender today. I really hope the camera is picking that up because the glitter, she's popping. Not so much the matte shades, but that shimmer. So that's the shimmer. That is really pretty. It's an alright palette. Will I reach for it every day? Probably not. To actually go and wash my hands because my hands have got glitter all over them. So I'm just going to darken it up as well. I think I'm going to try the black. Let's give the black a go. I've not got much hope for it. I'm just going to use an angled lining brush, go into that black. It's more like a grey, to be honest. I mean, it's not the most pigmented black I've ever used, but to be honest, for a £5 palette, it's not so bad. The magnetic lashes with the clamper. Let's give it a go because it's supposed to look super simple. I'm just placing them on the clamp. Am I being thick? They're just not coming off the magnetic thing. Right, I've got my lashes. They're not coming off the... Ow. I'm trying one last time, guys. Like, what the fuck is that? So that for me is a complete and utter flop and I will not be using them. So these are the lashes. As you can tell, these are my favourite lashes from Shein. They're about £2, £3 each and I just love them. I have got some Temu strip-on lashes that I've got in my basket. My basket's getting full again. These are my go-to favourite lashes. Hay fever season. Oh my god, who else is suffering? This cream is from Ouho. O-U-H-O-E. Ouho. I'm really sorry if I'm botching the name up, no disrespect whatsoever. Smooth your wrinkles within seconds. So let's slap this on because we need a good part of wrinkle cream. So I'm using this as a moisturizer as well. I have been using this off screen and I do love it under makeup. Dry skin, then this is going to be your best friend. And as you can tell, I've been dipping my hands into this a lot. Eye cream. So this is the acting moisturizing eye cream, and everything else is in Chinese, so I can't read it, and now my hands are sticky, and it's in the most cutest little pot. It looks expensive and it's very, very slimy. It's like that snail stuff that everyone's going absolutely crazy for. So yeah, I just rub that under my eyes. Got my little tweezers at the ready. How easy. I will link these lashes down below, guys, because you need these lashes. If you're a lash girl, you need these lashes. But I will link them down below if you want to check them out, because they are so nice. And I love that like flicked effect lashes. We do have a little lip oil in here. So this is the oh my god, did you hear my voice then? Precision Pure Natural 99% aloe vera lip oil. It's super hydrating. I love it. I'm going to be using this. So this is their Byaku. I'm really sorry again. I will pop on screen the name. So this is got aloe vera, 99% aloe vera beauty air cushion cream BB cream, and I got mine in the shade 01, one of the options. I think the other option looked a little bit too light for me, because I think it was like 0, so it was 0 and 1 and cushion with it. But mine sadly has literally the cushion thing has broke. So yeah, there is that. So I'm just gonna pick up some of the product and pop it around. It is a really nice natural, obviously it's a BB cream, so it's not going to be something too heavy. What I've been doing is just literally patting it on and then using a beauty blender, because this thing is really hard to use. It's got no bounce to it really. It's quite solid, but it is a really nice everyday. I've been getting so many comments like, what are you using on your skin? And it's this. I've been using this like for a few days at work. So I'm going to use this sponge, which is obviously a dupe for the Chloe Marshmallow sponge. I have been using one which I've already dampened, and it's not as soft as the marshmallow one. That's obviously Chloe Marshmallow one is really soft. It is soft and it is squidgy, but it's not as soft as the Chloe one. So it is a dupe as such, but it's not as squidgy, but it just makes my skin look like really nice and healthy. It doesn't give a lot of coverage because, like I say, it is just a BB cream, but guys, look at the healthy glow it gives my skin. So we've got a Charlotte Tilbury dupe. This is like their little bronzing wand. Jisung, I think that's the how you pronounce the name. Everything else is in obviously Chinese or Korean. Now this is quite dark, so I'm going to pop some on the back of my hand and see how dark that is. I'm going to use my fluffy double-ended brush, dip into that, and then pat all the excess off. So I'm like patting it round on my hand, and then I'm just going to gently tap that into place. Oh, this is the first time I'm actually using this, because I was terrified to use it because I thought, oh my god, it's really dark. Actually, that doesn't look too bad, especially now I've like blended it on my hand as well. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put some of that down my nose and switch the brush around and just blend that a little bit more. Oh, I actually like that as a bronzer. I thought that was gonna be too dark for me. That is so nice. Might actually put a little bit. Do I put a little bit more on? No, stop where I am, so I'm gonna ruin it. Two kind of blushes. So this one is from New Vapor. Obviously they're both Charlotte Tilbury Doopy Doop, especially this one. So this is their Beauty Light Glow Touch Liquid Blush, and it's from Beauty Glaze. So we have the Beauty Glaze one, which is a really gorgeous. So this is a like really gorgeous pink, and it's a glowy pink. So that's like popping in your face pink. This was the one that like exploded in the box. And then we've got this one, which is obviously also a pink, but it's like a true pink. I'm gonna mix them together while they're on the back of my hand, you know. Let's be wild. Let's live on the wild side a little bit. So I'm gonna take this angled brush, shimmy that. Oh my god, that's making a beautiful, gorgeous baby doll pink. Oh yes, I am so glad I did that. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, I am loving that. That's my new blush combo. Blend that. Oh my god, guys, are you seeing this? Because this is absolutely gorgeous. I am in love with that right now. That is just stunning, honey. I mean, it has stained my hand a little bit, which is a little bit concerning. At the time, obviously, when I was looking on Temu, I didn't pick up a powder, guys. So I am going to be using my RCMA translucent powder. I'm just going to use my little fluffy brush, take some of that on there and set these under eyes, because you know how I crease like a... yeah, fluffy brush, dip that in there, that all dry. Oh my god, can you believe this is like Temu makeup? I mean, like the cheapest makeup in the world. It's looking beautiful, it's looking really nice, and this is the cheapest makeup in the entire freaking world right now. I seem to have a blush but no bronzer. So because I haven't got a bronzer, stupidly enough, I did not pick up a powder bronzer. So I'm gonna use the Beauty Bay one because that's cheap and affordable. I'm just gonna use the same brush that I applied the, obviously on the opposite side, that I used the cream on. Oh, that sits perfectly on top of that. So we're going to use this cute little love heart. So this is from Lamila. So it's a beautiful coral pink. And just, oh yeah, she is gorgeous and sits beautifully on top of that. I did good on this Temu haul. Do not sleep on Temu, guys. I will leave my link on screen so you guys can get some money off. It is an affiliate code, so I do make a little bit of money if you are going to use that code, but you get money off, so it's a win-win. It's a winner-winner chicken dinner. Obviously, if you don't want to use my code but you still want to check them out, then that's perfectly fine. That just looks stunning. Right, I don't have, I keep saying I don't have, but I don't have a setting spray, so I'm going to go in with everyone's favourite right now, which is the Wishery. And I have another one up there, honey. I've got backup of this. So we're using the Beauty Crop Wishery setting mist because it's good and everyone's loving it right now, just like everyone's loving Temu. And let's use the fan that I got from Temu, shall we? This fan has been my best friend in this heat wave, guys. So we've just got highlighter under the eyes and lips to do, so let's crack a lack. So for highlight, I have got this product here. I have no idea how to pronounce it, so I'm just going to let you guys look at that. How stunning is that? Fenty Who. I'm going to use my fan brush from Beauty Bay and load this up, and let's see what she's working with, honey. That is such a gorgeous like wet look. It's not like glitter particles, it is literally a wet looking highlight, which I absolutely love. I'm still on the highlight trend. I know a lot of people have like gone past it now and not really a fan, but I do actually like a good highlight. I mean, Tin Woman absolutely beautiful. My table is not beautiful right now. It's a right mess. 4 of these little shimmers because, oh my god, my mirror. Honey, we are getting in a mess over here. So I'm going to be using some of this one, which is like a white, but it's got like all different iridescence in there. And I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner. That little bit of pop of colour. And then I might just put a little bit under the brow bone, you know, because why not? Let's bring the 90s back. That's a good choice. So let's give a spritz to the face because we've got all that powder on it. Oh, you would not believe, if I told you this was Temu makeup, you probably wouldn't believe me, but oh my god. This little shimmer, it looks like Midnight Cowboy from Urban Decay. I'm just going to pop that on top of the glitter we've already got on. Probably won't even, oh yeah it does. It literally just takes that glitter from like 100 to 1,000,000. Quite a selection of lip products, guys. So we have this one, which is New Vapor Lip Glow Oil. Oh, Rare Beauty Who. Just saying. Then we have this one from Pudera, and it's their classic vivid lip gloss, so we might use that. We then have 2 more products from Pudera, and we have shade number 1 and shade 10, I think. Yeah, so we've got shade 1 and shade 10, which I think I showed you in the other clip, but that's shade 10. And then we've got shade 1, which is a little bit darker, so yeah, that's more autumnal kind of lip. We have this from Honey Milk. How bloody stinking cute is that? So stinking cute. So these are their literal lip oils and they are gorgeous. So you can get the Honey Milk one and I think you can get a coconut one, but obviously it had a stinking cute little bee on there. Look how cute that bee is. Look how stinking cute that bee is. So it's lips, and then we're done. Shade number 1, no, shade number 10, sorry, from the Pudera lipstick. I didn't get any lip liners, probably should have done. Oh my god, this is literally a me shade. It feels so creamy. Even though these are matte, they do dry down matte, but this is literally a me shade. I do like a good nude to get your head out of the gutter, okay? And then I'm going to pop on this, I think, this Vivid Lip Gloss, and it's in shade 7 for reference. Got like, I've never seen a lip gloss like that before. It's got particles of glitter in that. I'm not sure if it doesn't seem to glide on like a lip gloss. And you can feel it. You can feel the like glitter particles as you're rubbing your lips. Don't quite know if I like that part, to be honest, but it is a nice colour. Then I'm going to pop on the honey milk, which I've been loving. I've been taking this to work. Oh yeah, I love this. It is super soft with it being a lip oil. It's not sticky, it's just gives my lips that gorgeous moisture. And I love it. So this is the final look using Temu makeup. What do you guys think? I bloody love it. I think it's amazing. And for the price, it's really good. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit those comments because I am loving talking to you guys and building my community. Also hit that notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a video, which is all the damn time. And I love you so much. Thanks for watching, guys. Candy shop, pick your